So what you have here is a AND gate, and basically an AND gate works as follows. So I'm going to switch this on. This light is just indication that the supply, the power supply is functioning, or there's nothing wrong with the power supply. So how you operate the AND gate is whenever you open this, or whenever you activate one side of the transistor, that's not going to activate because it's 0, and basically it's supposed to be 1 and 1. So this is off, nothing is, this is on, this is off, so that's why it's not working. And if you put this side on, this side is off, it's not working. So basically how you're gonna switch the light on is you have to basically put this on and that one on, and then you're gonna have a load flowing, because basically it works like a relay. So you supply a small voltage through your base pin, and then basically that's gonna open the circuit. And then the same here, you supply smaller voltage, and that's gonna open that circuit. And that's basically, so you see when I click here, it's not opening because this one is on, this one is off. When I click here, this one is on, this one is off. But when I click both, it's opening the circuit. So on drawings it looks like this. On drawings it looks like this. You have your positive, you have a resistor, you have your first transistor, you have your second transistor, and then you have your ground. So basically, for you to activate, to complete the circuit, or here you have your load, which is the light, the LED. So for you to basically activate this LED, you need to supply like a small voltage here. You need to supply small voltage here. So how we do it is we put in a larger resistor. This is a smaller resistor, larger resistor, which means you're decreasing the load. And basically, so let's say this is a 9 volt, so you're decreasing this to 5 volt, 5 volt, or maybe 3 volt, 3 volt. And then basically that's just gonna open the gates here, and that's gonna complete the circuit, which means the current is going to flow all the way around, and then it's gonna complete the circuit, and that's what's gonna turn the light on. And that's basically what you're seeing here, supplying small voltage, and then the current turns on. So your load's turning on, your light's turning on now. And that's how you basically construct a AND gate.